Hey everybody, it's me, RJ. It's your boy. Today, changing oil. This is a 2007 Avalanche, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukons. Like Silverado's the same way. This is the 5.3 liter. We're gonna change it, okay? First thing you're gonna need, filter. I got the AC Delco just because I change it every 3,000 miles. It's the PF48E. These are at Walmart and some other places. You're gonna need some Pennzoil high mileage, 5W30. I know people are gonna bash like Quaker State, Valvoline, Mobil 1. That's crap. This is what I use. This is what I like. Get what you want. Okay? You're definitely gonna need these, or you're gonna have to buy the same brand every time if you don't get these, because every one changes. So you'll need a wrench if not. Because the way this is set up, you can use rubber strap or one of the wrenches from below. It's the only way. You just can't get under there. So, we're gonna show you this. Nice thing about an Avalanche is, I'm getting a little chubby, but I'm not quite there yet. You don't need to lift the truck. So, come around here. Oh,
It's cold.
Right over there. So it'd probably be better for you to film inside over there. You hear me? Can you see everything?
I can see.
I think it's a 5/8.
I don't know.
I believe. A 5/8. If not, I might have to ever grab me something else. Okay, right here. It's gonna be right past the brush guard, the scratch plate. It's a 13 millimeter or 9/16. Get under here. Oh, you know what? I usually have to use my feet on this one. I don't know why it tightens up. So, and I got a little itty bitty socket. So, almost every time I think I use my feet. So, I roll around this way. Go under here. And I put my foot on. There we go. You're like, what a weenie. I am kind of a weenie. This is how it is. Alright, so that's it. I mean, 13 of that. Now you're going to see is this here. Can you see this in the film? It is tight. It's like a half an inch or a quarter inch of gap between this oil filter and the bottom of the oil pan. It's really a tight fit, so that's why we use this strap. And there she goes. As you can see, it's really black. I'm gonna take this here and get to work. So you take this rubber straps you're seeing, these are PT performance tools. You can buy these at Advance, but every store should have one. They may not be, they might, this brand are different. So what I gotta do is you slip this on here and then you pull the strap tight, okay? And then clip. And it's, even like I said, it's, I think I usually use the little one. This one's too fat. So this is, look, this rubber, do you see how thin it is? It's too thick. There's just no room. That's why some of those wrenches don't work on this either. This is like the best way to get these off. I almost put my arm in the oil. So you slip that on there, get it that way, pull while you let the teeth lock. If not, you'll be here all day trying to get this off. Damaging it, trying to use a screwdriver or something. And you just slowly go. And you get a little each time. And you grab it. And then you get a little more. As you can't tell what I'm turning it. And then you just loosen it. That gets a little easier. Loosen it. Can you see what I'm doing? You can just, because you're using the strap, look, you just let it loose off and you can pull and go back, see? Okay, and once you feel it finally clip free, like it just did, you can get in here. Oops, I'm making a mess, guys. If you can jack it up, do it. But like I said, I'm almost too fat to be under here. You know?
I don't think it's going to make it all the way to the... There you go. Oh my God, my hand is...
Okay, everybody watching?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna need you to pause it and go out there. Well, I guess we'll wait because I need to let it finish draining before we get the new filter. Either way, we're gonna pause it in a second. And it's gonna make a mess because of it's. Look at it. It's just a horrible setup for these. My hands. You think you're cold? I'm touching all this oil. I didn't. Only warmed it up enough to drive it in. I probably should have warmed it up longer so that the oil drained all the way out. That's another thing, guys. If you can, warm your engine for like 5 minutes or so that all the oil gets out of your engine.
That's gross.
Oh, yeah.
It's really windy, too.
I know. Look at all that pouring. My hand's covered. It's not as bad as last time. Oh, man, that oil's cold. I definitely should have warmed it up. When it's this cold, sometimes you don't get all the oil out. Because it's thick. I'm freezing. Can you pause it and go get me some paper towels?
Uh-huh.
So since it's so cold out and I didn't warm it up more like I should have, but I just didn't want to do this. I gotta do it. It's easy to grass thing. I'm gonna let it sit for like 15-20 minutes and let as much as can drip out. Alright, so we'll come back in about 15 or 20 minutes and get back to work on it. There we go, yo. I'm gonna get this bad boy right here. Okay, so I always double check to make sure. Sometimes they suck, but yep, same size. Okay, almost got that oil on there. Okay, so take a little bit of that old oil from up here if you can, where it fell cleaner. Okay, and rub it on the seal. I'll get some of that off there. Just a little. Make it maybe a little more. Okay. Rub it on there. Try not to get it all over, because you gotta. Alright. Get it by hand. Nope. Try not to get my other hand in there because it's got oil on it. Having trouble, don't want to cross through it, so you just do it light. Okay, there we go. Okay, get that on there. Where'd I put that ratchet, the rubber?
Underneath your arm.
This side? This side? Where? Look at that, I'm skilled. Alright, so you want to tighten this whenever you can by hand. Well, you don't have as much of a problem. You're going to grab it, you're going to flip the opposite direction. There's not a lot of room to work under here is a problem too, on top of the fact there's not a lot of room to grab that. Any of the, no? My hands are so oily, I'm making stuff oily under here that I'm touching it. We're going to pause it. We're going to need some paper towels. Can you grab the paper towels? Okay, I had some oil all over myself and some on this strap, so I had to wipe it down so it wouldn't slip as bad. This is it. I mean, it's only a pain because of this. It sucks. You got to kind of over tighten because you can't really tell if you tighten, because by hand you can't really get in there to get, which is what I like to do, is just by really tight as I can go by hand is usually enough, but you can't tell because the way it's set up you can't grab a hold of it, so you gotta not worry about it leaking. So you get that on there. Oops, I set that on. Grab your plug, make sure it's clean. Where's that paper towel? Do you see? Or dropped it? Found it. I like to wipe it off just in case it got dirty from sitting in my oil pan or whatever. Or my oil drained pan. Alright, so get that on there. Nice and tight. Well, I just keep it tight. Alright. Alright, and that is like it. Now we go up the top and fill it and
Ow.
You see my tools? You can reach them now. Here. Ow! You video still?
Yeah.
Video, and you can pause it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. You need 6 quarts. You need one of these big jugs and a single or 6 singles. You just gotta fill her up. It's a pretty simple process. Get a nice funnel, keep it clean so no dirt and debris gets into your engine. Alright, there goes 5. Make sure we get it all in there. Here goes 6. Like, wait a second, I thought you liked Pennzoil. Look, the other day, I didn't have any Pennzoil, so I had to buy the O'Reilly version. High mileage 5W, straight oil. Do not use synthetic in here. It isn't made for it. It doesn't last in it. It'll burn it out. You put synthetic in here and you're going to make it like 1,500 miles before your car is out of oil. Say I'm wrong, but trust me, it'll happen. It already burns oil. These 5.3 aluminums, they burn oil. What do you think? I usually have to put in a quart around 2,500 miles before the oil change? Yeah? That's it. I mean, you put it in. You get this here, wipe it, sew some paper towels in there. Because of that, if you have an Avalanche or any of the others here, probably burns it too. I take this and I dry it off and I stick it in my side wells with extra oil right here. I'm gonna let this sit out for a little bit until I dry it all the way. I keep it right here, side well, oil, some tools. There we go. See it? I always have at least 3 extra quarts of oil in here just in case. The low engine oil light comes on sometimes. I don't pay quite enough attention, and it'll hit sometimes earlier than other times. Wipe it all out. Get it real clean before you put it back in there. And then get your brand new clean one. Shove it in the hole. So you got it out there. I'll get rid of everything. Put it back. Any other questions? No, that it? The oil reset system. There's no oil reset system, I believe. On?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so after you do that, you got to hit these buttons and get the second one down. 53% oil life remaining. The thing's ridiculous because it's never at that. It was dirty. It goes by miles, I think. Because here's what I got. Look, this is what I do. So we went further than I wanted. That's 3,500 miles since I changed the oil. So put it on there, and then you hold this check button. And there you go. You're reset. It's done. 100% oil life. You want to do that because if not, halfway through it'll tell you. I think it just counts miles. I think it doesn't work the way it's supposed to. So that's it. Oil's done. Oil's in there. Tighten everything up. Got to get the oil pan out from under here. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day.